Welcome to UpGIF. UpGIF is a tool for projecting animated GIF images up on physical surfaces. If you're seeing this, you might be on a mobile device. UpGIF requires a laptop, either running Mac OS or Windows, plus a collection of these GIF images, and a home or office projector in order to work. You can see here that what we're doing is projecting a few different of these animations up on this antique door here as part of an art installation. And this person is controlling it with a Xbox controller. You can either do that, or you can use the mouse or trackpad in order to move and rotate and scale these images around. You'll see that this tutorial is actually implemented using UpGIF itself with these GIFs hosted on Gifing. What you can also do is you can take a bed sheet and project on the back of it inside of a window so that you can see it from the street. If you do this, you may have to mirror your projector. In order to show you how to swap out these images, let's go ahead and go over to Giphy. Maybe you want some trippy 80s synthwave animations. So we can go ahead and copy our link here. We want to make sure that it's the link that ends in .gif. We can replace this first image, hit apply, and now we have ourselves an awesome sunset. I hope you enjoy.